ABICAA ma UGIMA maria maicikene muno ta clinical officers ni maruthite maandamano ma THIIRI mwanka nyombani ya AFYA auzini kenda kunenkanira maromba mao kiri kamiti ya UGIMA makienda ABICAA maria masuwetwe ni thirikari ya mpanga ya corona kwandikwa bururu na gutukithwa aruti wira ma thirikari mariuga one bwe metikaniritie gatagati kao na thirikari inde area manenkagirwa kandarathi ino. Anthony Kadhinya ena riboti ino.
Kuhambire gituoni kia matatu kia Green Park muji munene wa Nairobi gwitokira obisini ya minister wa UGIMA bwa mwili mpaka nyombani nene ya bunge arigitani banka ya clinical officers ni bethire bakithithia maandamano kwinyiria mendekithia kathomba gwitokira petition. Kulingana na arigitani baba mendekithia maokiri petition ino ni mama bwambele ni kwinyiria thirikari yandikia arigitani baria barutaga wira kagita ka murimu wa corona na kubekira kili mutaratara permanent and pensionable kana PEP.
The slogan serikali ya maasra, tumeamua leo, we have decided today to bring the asras to the Minister of Health and to tell the government, walk your talk. You cannot say you are helping hustlers where you are misusing them. Healthcare workers have been misused. These people were employed during COVID. Everybody was saying these are our soldiers. We are asking the Minister of Health and the President, why have you left the soldiers on the battleground and retreated on high places? Please come back to the field and employ these soldiers, these COVID-19 soldiers.
We have seen people who are deployed during COVID-19 emergency preparedness response team that were used and dumped. It is not fair. We want them to be recognized like the Ebola heroes and recruited.
We are asking those who have been employed on contract for 3 years that is coming to an end in May. We haven't refused to work. What we are asking is that give us favorable terms like our colleagues on PNP.
We have no issue with these people being given job and continuing to work. That is what we want. But what we are against is the same terms and conditions, because the terms that they were given are terms that are exploitative. The people that we are having here are actually earning half of what their counterparts, who they are working with, is earning. So they have worked for 3 years with a salary where you cannot even be able to maintain a family and take your kids to school. And now, after they fight COVID-19 and it's gone, or almost gone, then the reward that they are being given is to continue with the same exploitative terms.
Bwajiri ni baurite thirikari gutigire kwandika rutwa barabara kiti mathomo kana interns na gutigire ni bakuri wa mishara gutina kwendanira no gwiko.
We are also requesting the USC interns to be given permanent and pensionable terms. You know, the interns. In fact, the cost of living, as you know today, they cannot put, hawezi kuweka chakula kwa meza na kulisha family zao, na kile wanapewa ni kitu kidogo sana, na tunaomba serikali ya hasla employ watu.
Today we are asking the Minister of Health. We have the interns that have not been posted yet. We are asking them that to post the interns.
So we have to be very careful on how we deal with our healthcare workers. If they are not going to address what we have presented in the petition, then we are not here to test waters. We are here to make a statement that after 7 days or 14 days, we will be back here and we will call for the national strike. We are going to tell everybody in the health sector that punda amechoka, tunaendelea.
Nyuma ya kuthithia maandamano na gukinya petition ino mbele ya bunge ithilwe kiamukilwa ni mubunge James Nyikal oleno mwa bunge ba kamiti ya UGIMA bwa mwili na ithia tegatigira mendekithie mama makola ithirua.
So we are asking the government, we are asking the Senate that they need to consider healthcare workers, because when you are sick you will have to go to the same people
kuma nyombani nene ya bunge muji munene Nairobi, Mbita Antony, Rangi wa KUTHITHIA.